Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the table of any number in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes is open. I'll drag file menu, taking new file, and here our code. Write a mm, program to print table of any number. Yes, so you have to know what is a table. So like 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 30. So that is a we can give any number that print that is table value. So like our header file, and that is very simple definition, so I not explain any detail. So that standard input output and conio console input output and void main, and can declare some integer variable, so that is a I that can take one for loop, and then our table that initialize one, because that is a we can multiplication operation. And then our yes first we can take one number in table. So let us check. So declare three variable, and first we can enter, yes, here enter any integer number. You can also that we can must enter integer value, not float value. So percentage d and ampersand n. And now we can take first print that table of that message. So we can provide the the table of, and that is we can print, yes, here that is percentage d, yes, table of that number, and that is n. And then we can provide as a slash n, and taking one for loop, so that I equal to 1, then I less than equal to 10. So up to 10 we can print our value of table, so any number. So first we can just multiplication, so table equal to n multiply I, yes, and now we can print. So at percentage d and provide the slash n, and that is our table variable. So that perfectly, and that gets here. So that is a very basic program of C language. So I save this, you can say the table of any number and dot c. So that is, yes, I compile, yes, there is no any error, and let us check. So I give 5. So you can look 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 8 40, and 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50. So I can scan again and give 2. So that is a table of 2. Yes, any number, yes, you can enter like 10. So that is also print. So any number, so like we can 12. So that is a print in the 12 table. So that is a very easy. So here we can, yes, if we not take any like one statement, so we can reduce here, that is our integer. Like here we can remove the table variable, only taking two variables. So I remove one table variable, means that not require. And here what is benefit, we can remove the brace. And what is, so we can directly here like and multiply I. So there is one statement we can reduce, and there are four, two brace, one statement, and one variable. So we can concise very small program. So like now I give like t, so that is a table of t. So now I can scan like a 7, so that is a table of 7. And now I scan as 9, so that is a table of 9. So yes, that very basic and very interesting. So first I can declare three variable. Now I can declare only two variable and reduce two opening closing brace, that is also one statement, and one statement, that is table multiply uh, n multiply I. So we can directly in the printf as second our argument. So that complete. So that is my goal, to print any table. So like last, like I enter 15, so that is table of 15. Okay, so you can print any table 1 to 100. Yes, that is possibility. So like I enter 22, so that is a table of 22. So table of 22 and as below. So you can look. Yes, all are well. So yes, so write this simple and basic program in C language. So now I can close this file. Yes, and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakuni. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.